5 sales lessons I know at 71, I wish I knew at 21. Part 2. 1. You'll close more sales if you pull versus push. People don't like being sold to, but they do enjoy buying. Pull them along. Number 2. Bad-mouthing your competition has an opposite effect. Your prospect is thinking, what are they saying about me? Number 3. When your prospect says, would you like to see our whatever? Smile and say, absolutely. If you like what they have, they'll like what you have. Number 4. Try not to use the word why. People feel interrogated with that word. And number 5. If your competitor flies your prospect to their headquarters, it's a bad sign, and it's time to adjust something. I've learned a lot of sales lessons in 5 decades of selling, learned from my experience, my mistakes, and close more sales. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. With a couple of clicks, you could be helping thousands of people. Thanks.